গুৱাহাটীৰ হোটেল এৰিষ্টাত ফছৰক ইণ্ডিয়া নিৰ্মাণকাৰী প্ৰতিষ্ঠানৰ সংবাদমেল সংবোধন। ফছৰক ইণ্ডিয়া নিৰ্মাণকাৰী প্ৰতিষ্ঠানে গুৱাহাটীত নতুন SFA গুদাম উদ্বোধন কৰে। ৪৪ বছৰীয়া অভিজ্ঞতাৰে ফছৰক ইণ্ডিয়াই সমগ্ৰ উত্তৰ পূবত সেৱা আগবঢ়াই আহিছে। ফছৰক ইণ্ডিয়াৰ গুদাম বেংগালুৰু, অংকলেশ্বৰ, কলকাতা, কেহৱানা আৰু হায়দৰাবাদত আছে। মহানগৰী গুৱাহাটীত নতুন সংযোজনে গ্ৰাহকক যথেষ্ট সহায় আগবঢ়াব। বৰ্তমান চেইণ্ট গোবেইন গোটৰ অধীনত কাম কৰি আছে ফছৰক নিৰ্মাণকাৰী প্ৰতিষ্ঠানে। আজিৰ সংবাদমেলত উপস্থিত থাকে ৰিজনেল চেলছ মেনেজাৰ প্ৰদ্যুৎ, অভিযন্তা শিৱম কাশ্যপ, জেনেৰেল মেনেজাৰ কস্তুৰ শংকৰ, ৰোহিত দাসকে আদি কৰি বহুকেইগৰাকী গণ্যমান্য ব্যক্তি উপস্থিত থাকে।
Ladies and gentlemen, and warm welcome on behalf of Fosroc to this wonderful event where first time in the history of Fosroc we have made an entry into the Northeast by setting up our own warehouse through our business partner VK Global. This particular warehouse will definitely help our local customers. Warm welcome on behalf of Fosroc to this wonderful event where first time in the history of Fosroc we have made an entry into the Northeast by setting up our own warehouse through our business partner VK Global. This particular warehouse will definitely help our local customers to get the material faster way and on time. Coming back to the Fosroc. Fosroc is a global company. More than 70-80 countries we were present for the last 70 years. In India, we are a 44-year-old company. And last 44 years, Fosroc proud to say that we are taken the active part in nation building, be it an infrastructure, be it a building, be it a road, or a bridge, or a tunnel. Name the infrastructure or a building, we are there. So today, Fosroc believes in providing constructive solutions for all the constructions, and we have actively participated in reducing the carbon, reducing the global warming, and then provide our constructive solutions for reducing the global warming. So we believe strongly in terms of developing a sustainable solution so that we ensure the next generation should yield a better life than the current one. So this is what we just wanted to talk about it, and proud to say that Fosroc has now taken over by another giant called Saint-Gobain. Saint-Gobain worldwide, they are already 360-year-old company globally, and India itself they are more than 70-80-year-old. Globally, Saint-Gobain is 50 billion company, and then they have got more than 150 patents. In India itself, they have spent almost about 150 crore only on the research and development. So this is the key aspect for construction industry to provide a very sustainable solution, and then Saint-Gobain strongly believes in going for zero carbon by 2050. So this is their aim and the vision. So I'll be speaking more in my technical presentation going forward. So for Saint-Gobain is a world leader in glass, world leader in technology like insulations, technology like Ziprox, technology like ground stabilization, technology like insulation, whole lot of things. So now getting construction chemical into their fold, so now they are able to completely give a total solutions to the building industry or construction industry. So today, construction chemical business is 20,000 crore across India and going to be multi-folded in coming years because of the continuous improvement in construction, be it building or in infrastructure or industry-wise. So Fosroc is going to have a very active part in terms of getting into the construction industry through our construction solutions. So thank you very much, gentlemen.